Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about how to earn money through the data entry jobs online. If you are looking for online job without investment, then watch a full video and you can be able to earn money through the internet. So let's start. Option for data entry jobs online. Data entry is another option for those who are looking for an online job without investment. If you are looking to work from home or a student looking for a part-time job with a flexibility, it can be a good option. Are there any requirements? All you need for such jobs is a computer, knowledge of Excel and other Microsoft tools, an eye for accuracy, and being able to work under deadlines. How much can you earn? Data entry jobs are usually quick or easy, and you can earn 300 to 1500 per hour. After registration at a trust website, you can accept data entry job from various companies worldwide. Just be sure to check your legitimacy before transferring your account details. Then you will be sent an email or a link to the data source and be given instruction about what to do. Here are some trusted websites where you can look for data entry jobs. Number 1, Freelancer, where you can look for data entry jobs. Number 2, Guru.com. Number 3, Dion Data Solutions. Number 4, Axion Data Entry Services. Number 5, Data Plus. These are websites where you can do data entry jobs. And if you have any skills of the computer, MS Word, Excel or other tools, that yet you can earn much more money through the websites.